Looking for the best portable car lift in 2026? In this video, we review the top portable car lifts designed for home garages, professional workshops, and DIY mechanics. We compare lifting capacity, safety features, portability, durability, and overall value to help you find the perfect lift for your vehicle maintenance needs. Stay tuned as we reveal the best portable car lifts that make repairs, inspections, and servicing easier than ever. Number 3. The Elite Edge 7,000 pounds portable car lift is a robust and practical lifting solution designed for DIY mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, and professional technicians. Built from high-grade Q235B carbon steel, this heavy-duty scissor lift delivers impressive strength and stability, supporting vehicles up to 7,000 pounds with confidence. Whether you're working on a sedan, SUV, or light truck, this lift provides reliable performance for a wide range of maintenance tasks. One of its most appealing features is the adjustable lifting range, which spans from approximately 6.26 inches to 27 inches. This generous clearance makes oil changes, brake jobs, suspension work, and undercarriage inspections significantly easier. The included 11-inch extension plates increase the contact area and improve compatibility with larger vehicles and longer wheelbases. Safety is a major priority with this lift. It features dependable mechanical safety locks that prevent accidental lowering while you work. In addition, the rubber-padded lifting points help protect vehicle frames while providing enhanced grip and stability during operation. The lift is also designed with convenience in mind. For durable nylon wheels allow easy movement around the garage, while the foldable structure and included handles make storage simple when the lift is not in use. The package includes all necessary accessories and hardware for quick setup. Customer feedback highlights the lift's solid construction, straightforward assembly, and time-saving convenience. Many users describe it as a game-changing addition to their garage. Overall, the Elite Edge 7,000 pounds portable car lift offers excellent value, safety, and versatility for automotive maintenance. Number 2. The Aliexpress 7,000 pounds portable car lift is a heavy-duty lifting solution designed for home garages, automotive enthusiasts, and professional workshops that need reliable vehicle access without the footprint of a permanent lift. With an impressive 7,000-pound lifting capacity, this portable scissor lift can accommodate a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Constructed from high-strength Q235B steel, the lift delivers excellent durability and stability during maintenance tasks. The anti-corrosion coating helps protect the frame from wear and environmental damage, making it suitable for long-term use in both residential and commercial settings. Safety is further enhanced through multiple locking levers that provide secure support while working beneath a vehicle. One of the lift's biggest advantages is its 28-inch maximum lifting height, which offers ample clearance for oil changes, brake jobs, suspension work, and inspections. The adjustable height blocks and extension panels allow users to customize the lifting setup for different vehicle types. Additionally, the upgraded spring system helps improve lifting efficiency and recovery speed. Mobility is another strong feature. Equipped with 4 wheels and a foldable design, the Aliexpress lift can be easily moved around the garage and stored when not in use, saving valuable floor space. Customer reviews highlight the lift's surprisingly solid construction, ease of use, and dependable performance. While some users note that hydraulic oil must be purchased separately and that the reservoir may be limited at maximum height, overall satisfaction remains high. For those seeking a portable, powerful, and versatile vehicle lift, the Aliexpress 7,000 pounds portable car lift is an excellent choice. Number 1. The QuickJack 6000 TL portable car lift bundle is a game-changing solution for DIY mechanics, car enthusiasts, and small shop owners who want professional-grade lifting performance without the space requirements of a traditional 2-post lift. With a 6,000-pound lifting capacity, this ALI-certified system is designed to safely handle a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, sports cars, SUVs, and light-duty trucks. One of the standout advantages of the QuickJack 6000 TL is its compact and portable design. Unlike permanent garage lifts, it can be set up in minutes, used wherever needed, and stored flat when not in use. The included wall hangers make storage even more convenient by keeping the lift organized and off the garage floor. Safety and vehicle protection are also key strengths. The bundle includes pinch weld blocks, which help protect factory lifting points while providing a secure, stable lifting surface. Combined with QuickJack's automatic safety locks and ALI certification, users can work underneath vehicles with confidence. Customer feedback consistently highlights how much easier routine maintenance becomes with this lift. Owners report that oil changes, brake work, swaps, detailing, and general repairs are significantly faster and more comfortable. Many users appreciate the quick setup process and the ability to service multiple vehicles from home. Built from durable powder-coated alloy steel and powered by a 110V hydraulic system, the QuickJack 6000 TL delivers impressive reliability, convenience, and value. For anyone serious about vehicle maintenance, this portable lift is an outstanding investment. That wraps up our review of the best portable car lifts in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect lift for your garage, workshop, or DIY automotive projects. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which portable car lift is your favorite or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.